Hey there! Here is how to solve network timeout server connection 1000 issues on FIFA Mobile. To solve the network time or server connection problem for FIFA Mobile, follow only 3 advanced troubleshooting skills on your mobile device. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Solution 1. Fix your connectivity issues. Open Setting, scroll down, tap the Additional setting. Scroll down, tap the Developer options. Scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also, toggle the Always Mobile Data on if you're using mobile data. Solution 2. Check the server for FIFA Mobile. Open a browser on your smartphone, tap Search, type www.downdetector, type FIFA Mobile. Now try to check the status. Also, the following chart and the comments. If the server is down, please wait for 1 hour, or if the server is not down, follow the last solution. Solution 3. Remove software bugs. Tap and hold the app. Tap App Info. Tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. After these 3 processes, your network timeout or severe issues will be solved. Now, if you still have any questions about FIFA Mobile, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.